everybody and welcome back. I am so glad it's sunny out and that summer is well and truly here. Fingers crossed that it stays that way and we get a really good summer. But I have this really white complexion and I can't stand it. It's pale and pasty and I have to resort to fake tan in order to look less pasty. So I'm using this Garnier body and I really recommend it because if you have a look at how white I am compared to the brown of the Garnier, makes me feel really happy to have a tan and definitely makes me look less washed out. But also when you use sun protection, I'm using this one by Sunsense and I cannot stand using sun protection sometimes because it's just white like that. Put it on my face and I look even more pale and pasty. But if you look out for ones like this, the reason I like this is because it's 50 plus SPF and it's invisible tint finish. Look at that. Just like skin colour, and when you put it on you can't see it, don't look washed out. Definitely recommend going out and looking for ones that have a natural skin colour tint in them because you put them on, you don't look washed out. So, you know, the browner skin you have, the more you put the white ones on, it just looks pale and pasty and it looks like you've got sun cream on. So what I do, because I don't want to waste them, is I'll put some white cream of the SPF in my hand, a little bit of foundation, and then I'll just rub that together and then you can use that and it doesn't show on your face and you get good protection that way. So I'm ready to go out in the sun now and enjoy myself and not get burnt. But if you can, definitely go and look out for 50 plus for the face with a skin tint in it, or if not, use the white one with a bit of foundation. You'll get just as good protection and you won't look pale and pasty in the face. Just a quick little video for you. I hope that you enjoyed it and thank you for watching and I shall see you next time.